Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the MovieBox on laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, just open your Chrome or the Microsoft Web Store. Then here you can go and press the Microsoft Store, and here you can just type the MovieBox and search it up. And mostly for the people, movie box will show right away. If you can't find the movie box right over here, what you can do is just to use the emulators. Emulators like a game that's for watching the movie box for the videos. So here you can be able to find the movie box right over here if you install the actual app. You need to download the game loop, so you could use the BlueStacks also. BlueStacks has majority of the app, and here you can also search for the movie box if it's available. And also to avoid the copyright content without proper licensing, you can use Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, or Hulu and sign into your account. You can also watch free movies, try legal and ad-supported platforms like Tubi or Pluto TV. And that's how you watch movies safely on your laptop or PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.